Hi everyone. Today, we'll show you how to add text blocks anywhere on your Shopify store. Text blocks let you add announcements, product details, or promotional messages to different sections of your website. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store on the left side. From there, click Edit Theme so we can start adding a text block to your website. To add a text block, first choose where you want to place it. You can add blocks in the heading, the collection list, or any other section you prefer. Simply click Add Block, then select the text option. Once you're in, choose the text block. Now you can edit the text block however you like. Go ahead and replace the sample text with your own content. When you're done, make sure to save your changes. If you want to add a text block to the collection card as well, just click on it and select text. Then edit it the same way. And that's it. We now know how to add text blocks anywhere on your Shopify store. It's a simple way to share important information and improve your store's design.